Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PlayStation 5 triangle button. We'll start with some simple troubleshooting steps. First, try cleaning around the button with compressed air to dislodge any dust or debris that might be causing it to stick. Then, test the button in a few different games or navigate through the system menu to see if the issue persists. Finally, a complete restart of your console can often resolve minor glitches. If the initial cleaning doesn't work, let's try a deeper clean. Make sure your console is completely powered off. Take a cotton swab, dampen it with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol, and carefully clean the edges and crevices around the triangle button. The alcohol helps dissolve grime without damaging components. After cleaning, gently press and release the button several times to work the alcohol in and loosen any remaining residue. Sometimes, the issue isn't hardware-related but a software glitch. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is fully updated to the latest version. Outdated software can cause unexpected problems. If that doesn't help, try rebuilding the console's database in safe mode. This can often fix corrupted data. Lastly, resetting your controller settings to their default configuration might also resolve the problem. If you've tried all these steps and your triangle button is still not working, it might be time to consider professional help. If you notice any physical damage to the controller, or if the button remains completely unresponsive, it's best not to attempt further repairs yourself. Reach out to PlayStation support. They can provide guidance on repair options or potential replacements for your controller.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.